Why do 70% of Samsung users face Wi-Fi and Bluetooth issues? Let's dive into it. First, try restarting your Samsung A10S and your router. It sounds simple, but it often works. Next, check if Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. Go to Settings. Connections, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to make sure they're turned on. Still having trouble? Check for any software updates. Go to Settings. Software update and install any available updates. If that doesn't do the trick, reset your network settings. Be aware this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth pairings. Go to Settings. General Management. Reset. Reset network settings. And as a last resort, consider a factory reset. Remember to back up your data first. Go to Settings. General Management. Reset. Factory data reset. Still no luck? Check for interference, move closer to your router, or contact Samsung support. That's it.